Hello, middling modeler here, and this is just the tip. Have you ever had an awkward shape that you needed to mask off? Say, like Tim's horn here. Well, you could use liquid mask or spend quite a bit of time with some masking tape trying to isolate it from the rest of the sculpt. Or, believe it or not, you could use a ready-made product. The dental dam. It's a square piece of latex. Who knew how much fun you could have with latex? All you need to do is take this little piece of latex. Oh, by the way, the unflavored version is definitely the way to go. But here we go. Just poke a little hole in it. And then, awkwardly, trying to fit latex on is always an awkward experience, especially in front of a camera. Just pop it on there really quick. Should stretch and fit. A little bit of adjustment. It's fighting with me. Just a minute. There we go. You can see it just pops right on. It just took me a few seconds. Here it is, nice and pretty, all isolated. So if I wanted to quickly take it over to the airbrush and apply something, I can. And you can use a toothpick or a dental pick if you have one around to kind of edge it to get a nice fit exactly where you want it. And it'll work brilliantly and very quickly to mask off awkward shapes. And it goes off, comes off, goes off. It comes off a lot more easily than it goes on, as do most things. And no harm, no damage, clean as a whistle. Works brilliantly for masking off awkward shapes. Hope you guys enjoyed it, because that was just the tip.